Okay, I just want to shoot this little bit of video to show you that I'm not an asshole, I'm a nice guy. So, I strutted / waddled up CVS, because they're open 24/7. I wanted myself some Arizona fruit punch, because it's fortified, vitamin C motherfucking fortified, Negro. So I'm walking out, did my thing, and I left. Holy shit. Somebody left their wallet on top of the fucking payphone. There's nobody around here. Just me. Now, of course, I went through the wallet and there's nothing. There indeed is an identification card. No money, no charge card. So, my point being, that's not good. I mean, it's a Velcro wallet. Like seriously, who in 2007 boxes a Velcro wallet? Not me. I can tell you that much.